Have you ever uploaded a folktale video, poured your heart into the story, spent hours on the visuals, and then watched it get barely any views? Meanwhile, another creator posts almost the same story and gets thousands of clicks within hours? The difference is not the story. The difference is not even the visuals. It is the title. The right title can take an average story viral. The wrong title can bury an amazing one forever. Today, I am sharing a powerful AI prompt that will help you analyze any viral folktale title and generate 20 fresh original variations for your own content in seconds. Whether you create African folktale content, motivational stories, or any kind of story-based videos, this one tip will completely change how you title your videos going forward. Now let us get into it. Before we get to the prompt, how do you find a viral title worth modeling in the first place? Here is exactly how to do it. Go to YouTube and type in your niche keyword, for example, African folktale, African story, or motivational African story, and hit search. For this demo, I will search latest African folktales. And here are the top results. This video by African Folktale Nation has 14k views in 2 days. Jenny's Folks and Tales has 68k views in 2 days. And African Tales by Zanel has 289k views in 1 month. These are your viral references. But here is the important trick. Do not just look at the view count. Always check the age of the video. A video with 500k views uploaded last week is far more viral than one with 1 million views uploaded 3 years ago. This video by Jenny's Folks and Tales with 68k views in just 2 days is a strong viral reference, and in some niches, folktale videos hit those numbers within an hour. You can also go directly to a channel that is consistently performing well. For example, African Echoes by NK already has 4k views in just 15 hours on their latest video as at when I'm recording this. Click on their Videos tab and sort by most popular or latest. And just like that, their best performing titles are all lined up right in front of you, ready to study and model. Notice how each title sparks curiosity and makes you want to click. That is exactly what we're going for. Once you find a strong performing title, that is your viral reference. Copy it and keep it ready. Now, you might be wondering, does the viral title I find have to match my exact story theme? For example, if my story is about a billionaire and a poor girl, do I need to search specifically for billionaire titles? It helps, but it is not compulsory. Searching within your theme gives you stronger and more relevant results because the words, emotions, and tension are already aligned. But any viral folktale title will still work, whether it's a village story, a mermaid story, or a kingdom story. The reason is simple. The AI prompt does not just copy surface words. It extracts the deeper emotional formula, the curiosity gap, the tension, the hook, and applies those same mechanics to your own story. Same theme gives stronger results, but any viral title will do. Just pick the one with the highest views and let the prompt handle the rest. And one more thing. Beyond the title, your thumbnail plays a huge role in getting that click too. A great title with a weak thumbnail will still lose views. I've already made a full tutorial on how to create eye-catching thumbnails for your folktale content. I'll drop that link in the pinned comment so you can watch it after this. Now, let's put this into action. Open ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, or any AI assistant of your choice. Before you paste the prompt, make sure you already have 2 things ready: your viral reference title and your own story idea or story title. Once everything is ready, paste in this prompt and hit generate. I have a folktale title that is performing well in my niche. Insert the viral title here. I want to create titles for my own story idea, which is insert your own story idea or story title. I want you to study what makes the viral title powerful and use those same success factors to generate 20 fresh original title variations specifically for my story idea, titles that carry the same viral energy but are completely original and unique to my story. And so on. I've dropped the full prompt link in the pinned comment below so you can grab the complete version anytime. And the response is ready. The viral title I used as my reference was, "She planned a surprise birthday party for herself, but what she saw that day shocked her." And look at how ChatGPT broke it down. It analyzed exactly why this title works, the emotion it triggers, the story structure, and the curiosity gap. Then it generated 20 completely fresh title variations based on my own story idea, the friend who gossiped about her best friend to her fiancé. Look at some of these results. She trusted her best friend with everything, but what her friend told her fiancé changed everything. Another one, her best friend spoke to her fiancé behind her back. What he did next left everyone speechless. These titles are powerful, emotional, and ready to use immediately. You just pick the one that resonates most with your story and you're done. Your title is ready to go. This is the difference between spending hours guessing and having 20 powerful options in under 1 minute. And that's it. Short, simple, and incredibly powerful. No more uploading great stories with weak titles. You now have a system that works every single time. Now it's your turn. Find a viral title in your niche, plug in your story idea, and generate your 20 variations right now. Your next viral video might start with the title you create today. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It truly means everything to this channel. Subscribe if you haven't already, and drop your generated titles in the comments. I would love to see what you come up with. See you in the next one. Bye for now.